In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add payments to Big Cartel in just a couple of minutes. If you want your store to start accepting orders smoothly, this is one of the most important setups. So let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and searching for Big Cartel. Once you land on the official website, log into your account. If you're new, go through the quick sign up process and then head straight to your dashboard. At the top of your dashboard, you'll see your initials or your store icon. Click on that to open your account settings. From the menu, look for the option that says Get Paid. This is where all your payment settings live. You'll see a small pencil icon beside it, which means you can edit the payment options. Click on that. Inside the payment settings, you'll find the two supported payment gateways, PayPal and Stripe. These are the platforms that will process your customers' payments securely. Choose whichever one you want to use. Once you select PayPal or Stripe, Big Cartel will guide you through a quick connection process. You'll either log into your payment account or create one if you don't already have it. Just follow the prompts on the screen, confirm a few details and complete the connection. And that's it. Your Big Cartel store is now ready to accept payments. This simple setup makes the checkout experience smoother for your customers and helps you get paid without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your store one step closer to launching.